Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this month's episode, we are creating winter paper straw wreaths. What's included in this craft kit are a paper plate with a pre-cut X for easy cutting, a piece of ribbon, some thread, a silver silhouette piece, and of course, some paper straws. A few things that you will need to do this craft are scissors, liquid glue, and a hot glue gun. Okay, first things first, we are going to cut along the lines on the paper plate. I went ahead and folded the pre-cut X so that I can get my scissors easily inside the circle. I found it easiest to cut the lip of the paper plate off first before continue to cut on the lines. Now we're ready for our paper straws. Grab the 12 straws of the same color and place them next to you. Next, we're going to take our liquid glue and draw a small line at the top and place the straw on top of the glue. Now we'll do this 3 more times. Try to think of a compass: north, south, east, and west. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, just do the best you can. Now we'll take 4 more straws of the same color and place them at the halfway points between each of the straws. Now with the remaining 4 straws that you had with your original 12, you will cut each of them in half to have a total of 8 pieces. You'll then take those pieces and place them at the halfway points between the other straws. Snag your remaining straws of a different color. There should be 4, and we're going to cut them into fourths. Those of us who are not great with fractions, I'm here to help. You're going to take your straw and cut it in half, and then from that half, you will cut it in half again, and that will be your 4th. After you have done all that, you should have 16 pieces. Now with those 16 pieces, you will glue them in between each of the remaining straws. While our wreath is drying, we're going to make a bow. Fold your silver ribbon in half like so, and then we're going to take this thread and tie it around it and make a tight knot. Once you pull it tight, it should make the perfect bow. Once you're finished, make sure to snip off the remaining loose threads. Once you have decided where you would like to put your bow, take a dab of hot glue and then place the bow on top. Now to cover up the thread of our perfect bow, we're going to take our hot glue gun, as I smack my camera. Sorry, multitasking is hard. We'll put a dab of hot glue on top of the bow and the silver silhouette on top. And there you have it, a beautiful paper straw wreath. Thanks for watching!